Shawarma Truck Anomalies. It's basically just shawarma. Basically the shawarma game that everyone's playing, but with a truck that you can drive. And they're like weird deer. That's what I saw from the thumbnail of it. So, yeah. It's a crappy truck. That truck sucks. 1985? 1985? I am not doing this. I wasn't even born. Most of you probably weren't even born. Stop. Alright, it's...
Alright.
Both. I don't know. Shut up!
Midnight already.
That looks like 11...
Perfect time to sell food.
35. Yeah, that looks like 11:35. Where'd I put them?
Put them this time?
Over here, that's where you put them.
There it is.
I like this game. I don't really like how my games force you to go in first person, but like when you can do this, I like it. Most of the time, high realistic games like this, you can't. I like it.
Nothing left. Alright, market run first.
Drive. Okay. Let's see. What store are we going to? Oh my god!
Whoa. Jeez, just a deer.
That is not just a deer. Dude, the high suspense music that it was playing when the deer came out just scared me. Oh my god.
Welcome.
Okay.
Supplies are in the back aisle.
Yeah, I see this. I see it.
Take your time.
You look suspicious, to say the least. Drop. Then take some cola. Drop. Then take some shawarma. Drop. Now let's take all this stuff and sell it. So we drop. Buy supplies. I know what to do. I could really go for a shawarma now. I really want some shawarma. Shawarma. Looks good. Like, here's the salad. Here's the lavash. Where's the oh, this is the lavash. Okay, bet. Now we need sauce. Where's the sauce? Where's the sauce? Dude, where's the sauce? Is it in here? There's the sauce. I thought it would
Be careful out there.
Hey, you, yeah. I will. Oh my god. How am I getting a phone call from inside the truck? It's like the FNAF thing. FNAF phone call.
Hey man, you're good to go.
Yeah.
But let me break the job down real quick for you. First, start with the lavash. Put it on the counter.
I know how to do this, sir.
Then you're gonna slice
Can
the
I hang
meat
up?
and add it
You
to the
can't
lavash.
even hang up.
After that, add toppings. Salad, sauce, cheese.
You don't need to give me a full-on
One more
tutorial because
thing.
they're already
If
gonna
the
give me a
customer's
full-on
eyes are
tutorial
white,
from that.
don't serve them.
I guess.
Close the shutter.
85. Yeah, what about it?
I marked your first stop on the map.
Okay.
Good luck.
Good luck. Why do I need luck? I have a good stuff. I can make people happy with lavashes and meat. Hey, they're not vegetarian. Why do the checkpoints make that sound? It's like, dum, dum. Who are you? Who is that? Why is he coming? No. Give me the pump. What the? There's a rocket launcher. There's a pump shotgun.
Hey, I'll take a shawarma with sauce, cheese, and salad.
Dang,
And a
Big Back.
cola on the side.
Oh my gosh, Big Back. I don't want to be mean, but like, what the frick? That's a big order. Why is there like a spot with no lavash? Probably nothing. What do you want? So you want shawarma? Salad. Cheese. Huh? Sauce. And then a cola. So let's throw you the cola. Oh, that's how you. Dang. Okay. Punch. I want to kill you. Order
Here
finished.
you go.
Eat it.
Nice, thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Wait for customers. That guy. This is like a camp? No, I am not. I'm not selling anything to this guy.
Hey, can you make it quick? Shawarma, cheese.
Oh wait, he doesn't
and
have
salad
white
only.
eyes, so
No
I guess
drink.
I should serve him like. Didn't the directions say that if they have white eyes, I should not serve them? I need to pay attention. But at the same time, I didn't really need to because like I knew what to do. Cheese. Dude, what is wrong with you? Why are you like?
Here.
What is wrong with you?
You shouldn't be out this late.
I know that it doesn't look like I have a choice. I have to do a job, which I don't want to do. Nah, who the frick is that? It looks like she's from. What the frick? What the frick? What the? Oh.
Oh, hello, dear.
Oh, it's an old grandma.
Could I
Hi.
have a shawarma
No.
with salad, no cheese?
Why is there like a deer thing at the bottom? Jump scare everyone. Jump scare, infinite jump scares. Okay. I mean, shawarma. That's a cola. Okay, I'll leave you for later. Okay, I'll leave you for later. I can't even pick you up again. Why the frick am I doing this? Where's the salad? 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 Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you, sweetheart.
I am not your sweetheart. Why is there like... Oh my gosh. Do not serve him.
Shawarma.
Do not serve him.
Just shawarma.
Yo, I swear if he comes in this van, I'm gonna freaking
Yeah,
kill him.
that's enough. I'm not staying here.
Yo, I'm gone. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Dude, I swear if he's chasing
We should find a place to stop soon.
me. Not if he's chasing me.
There's gotta be something up ahead.
Dude, I swear if a deer comes out of nowhere. Huh. There's a place. There's an empty parking lot. Oh my gosh. Why are you here? Why are you here, huh? Why are there more people? There's like no cars.
Hello, you. I'll take a shawarma.
You look like someone I've served before,
Just lavash and shawarma.
but you don't. Oh,
And a cola.
why do you talk like that?
You're
Yeah, like,
very calm. Most people get jumpy this late.
You get used to it.
dude, this is my first day on the
Calm
job. How
suits
do I
you.
get used to it? How am I getting used to it? It's my first day on the job. Shawarma and then cola. 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 I'm making this speedy.
Here you
I'm making
go.
this fast.
Perfect, thanks.
Yeah. Is that your house? It's an old house. I don't like it. Dude.
Busy night?
They're playing this song.
Something like that.
Mixed shawarma.
That's crazy. You guys probably can't hear it, but like, I can. No, that's crazy. They just ended it. Okay. I can
Here.
tell that guy's gonna be an anomaly, so I'm just gonna close the door.
Thanks.
'Cause
You
there
ever
are only
notice how
3 people
quiet
here.
it gets near water?
You ever notice how quiet it gets
Yeah.
near water? Wait, this is the lake. What the? Yo, that's an anomaly. I can tell. Who the frick are you? Dude, what the frick? That's so creepy. That looks so creepy.
Don't like this.
She's hungry.
Hell.
Meat. Only meat.
What the frick is this? What the frick was that? Yo, what the frick was that? Dude, I swear, if you're an anomaly.
I'll have a shawarma.
What the frick?
Cheese and salad only.
What? Should I even serve you? What the frick? Okay. Dang, I did not know that. Why is there a pigeon in the game? Why is there a pigeon in the game? This is so weird. Dude, there's gonna be another anomaly and he's gonna come in the truck. That's why they need a door here.
Here you go.
That's why they need a door. There's gonna be another
Thanks.
anomaly that comes in the truck. I swear, if there's another anomaly, I'm gonna end this video. I don't care, bro. That last anomaly was scary enough. What the frick?
リンゴ持ってる
No!
No, we don't.
No!
ないのじゃ
Okay,
あお前が持ってるものを
whatever
よ
you
こせ
have. Close the shutter or serve the customer. Dude, I don't know which one to do. Now it's playing creepy music. It's gonna come in the truck if I don't serve it. I know it is, so I'm gonna serve it. So, guess I have to. What is this song that they're playing? Yeah,
Here's your shawarma.
What the frick?
まずい点々点
This
最悪
tastes
の味
awful.
だ。リンゴが必要
I
だ。
need apples. Give me
リ
some
ンゴを
apples.
よこせ。
Dude, the frick?
I don't like this place. I think
Go where? I don't want to go home.
it's time to go.
Dude, I swear, if we have another place to go, I'm ending. Go to the marked location. Okay, yeah, I'm ending the video. I'm sorry. Can't do this. That last one was like, thought it was like from the Death Note, something like that. The motel. You can tell that's gonna be scary. It's gonna be the scariest place. Yo, I almost crashed. I'm not good at driving. Yeah, the motel. Yo. Dude. Who the frick are you, Michael Myers? Your face literally looked like Michael Myers.
Hey, cheese shawarma.
Cheese shawarma.
And the cola.
Okay, what are you doing? What is your hand doing? I do not want to serve you. Dude. If there's an anomaly, bro, that's gonna scare the frick out of me. Because the last one was scary enough. And then they had to have like another freaking like weirdo or something, whatever it is. I don't know what to call him. I don't know what he was. Then I had to fight. That's what I was wondering what the fists were for. Like the fist button was like, I don't understand what that's for. Luckily it could. Let me toss you the food. Luckily it couldn't come in the truck. Nah, what the frick is this? Okay, that's the game, guys. Bye.